some carrot juice, guys. If you're interested in making this one, come let's do it together. First thing we're going to do is add some water to a pot. Alright, then we're gonna add the pot on the stove. For that, I'm gonna add a teeny bit of salt. I'm gonna add cinnamon leaf to the pot. You can also use cinnamon stick or cinnamon powder, but I'm going with the leaf because the leaf is what I have available right now. Alright, so I'm just gonna take off the butter. On the top piece of the carrot. Right, then I'm going to take a hot piece of oil, one little, and just use it. I don't want the knife, so I just use it and rub right. Take off the skin. And transfer it to a bowl. You can also peel it if that's your choice. Don't make a difference, right? Guys, if you have made it this far, don't forget to like, leave a comment. Thanks for the support, guys. Continue watching. So we go wash them in now. We're going now and wash off the carrot. Water hot, man. This are going now and cut up these. Alright, so now we're gonna chop up the carrot them. You don't have to do nothing special. You don't have to do them small, you can do them big. Just chop up them. I think I'm in love. I'll take these, add to a basin. We'll start chopping again. Okay. Carrot gonna drop off. Just stick up there now. Yeah, add it to a pan. We're gonna rinse them off again. So I think I'm in love again. more. Just chop it. Alright, so I'll rinse them again. Drain it, and we're putting it in our pot. Take your time. Right. I'm just gonna cover this. So we're just gonna cover it and just boil our carrots. We usually would have put a piece of pumpkin, but I'm lazy if I go to the shop. So we just work with the carrot for now. Alright, so boil this about an hour, you know, guys. So about an hour. So what me I gonna do? Turn it off and make it cool a little bit, not too much. We can't wait on it to cool all the way, but I make it cool a little bit. I'm gonna have to show me say carrot cookie. Alright. Cook. As we say, we just cool it for a while and then we'll come back. Alright, guys. So once it's kind of cool, we're gonna pour some of the liquid inside the blender. Right. And then we're gonna put carrot. Add the carrot to it. So I'm gonna blend it in a two. So I'm gonna blend half first and then blend the other half. Just to make it easier. Alright. You don't have to worry. Put a little more water. And then just cover that. Okay. Blend it too much because the carrot them cook. So we'll blend it and then we'll pour it out. Probably have to go straight over and something else. Maybe here. Alright, now we're too much about that. We'll get the other batch in. With a contemplate if I put in a whole lot of water in there, but I'm gonna pour back everything in the same pot and sweeten it in it. Because this now go hold everything. And then we put it in a bigger jug. I think that would make more sense. So guys, we're going with 1 can of supligen. Also using condensed milk. So if you want to say 1 can, but they're not sweet again, you know. So might have to use the entire can. Then we're gonna grate some nutmeg. This is about half a nutmeg. It's kind of clumsy, you know, so look up on the side there. To drop in it. And guys, if you have guineas, you can add a guineas. But I have no guineas, so you know we have a guineas less. Still have a nice. At least kids will be able to drink it. So I do the whole of the nutmeg, so maybe half nutmeg. I'm gonna add vanilla. Then we're gonna combine this. Charger. So you're going to go taste it to see if you need any adjustment. You know what might need milk. You forget I cook with ice. Can my taste this mean drinking it? Taste this man. Taste the nutmeg. I put a little more nutmeg in there. All my life you have been so good. I know you guys saw that. What bother with it, man? Not to worry, not to worry. Can't really make a massive clumsiness. Eh? right. Rinse out the tin. Goodness, you got. Oh, that's sweet, right? If you grab a glass with ice. Guys, when you take this a skill, pour it some of this without making a mess. I don't think so. Okay, it's still kind of hot, you know. This is not the best time for taste the juice, you know. When it cool and but let me grab a glass with ice and I'll be back. Some carrot juice, guys.